Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where you are unable to access the shared folder because of your organization security policies. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to registry editor, go to search menu and type registry editor. Right click on it and click run as administrator over here. Click run as administrator and click yes. In registry you need to go to HKey local machine guys, expand the folder and expand the system folder and expand the current control set, expand it, and after that security services, expand it, and we need to search for landman workstation. You just need to expand the landman workstation and click on the parameters. I show you guys in my video where the file path is. I will zoom in. After that, on right side you just need to right click on it and click new and click devote 32-bit value, and you need to change this value name allow a caps letter ALLOW insecure in I caps letter insecure SECURE guest G caps letter guys GUEST A caps letter AUTH, press enter. Allow insecure guest AUTH, double click on it, and you just need to change the value data to 1 guys. Value data change to 1 and click OK. And after changing it, go back, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC guys, you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.